This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Tiffany Bowling. Charming home in Oneida. 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Nestled in the heart of Oneida, this charming home offers the perfect blend of convenience and tranquility. With 4 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, there's ample room for family and friends. Master Suite. Spacious master bedroom with a large walk-in closet. Relaxing walk-in shower. Outdoor enthusiast's paradise. Only 15 minutes from Big South Fork, offering endless outdoor activities. Just 20 minutes from Brimstone, featuring ATV riding trails and campgrounds. Best of both worlds. Located within city limits for easy access to amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Tiffany Bowling at 865-693-1111.